Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Explorer, your one-stop destination for everything new and exciting in the world of smartphones. Today, we have something truly special to talk about, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. The Nothing brand has been making waves in the smartphone industry with its unique transparent design, intuitive software, and premium hardware. With the launch of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, the company is taking things to the next level, bringing us a stunning design, powerful internals, and an all-new Glyph interface with added functionality. So, what makes the Nothing Phone 3A Pro stand out in this highly competitive market? Should you buy it? Stay tuned as we dive deep into its display, performance, cameras, battery life, and special features. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Starting with the display, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro features a 6.77-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means smooth scrolling, ultra-responsive touch gestures, and an overall fluid experience. The AMOLED panel ensures deep blacks, vibrant colors, and high contrast, making it perfect for watching movies, playing games, and browsing social media. The full HD Plus resolution ensures that everything looks sharp and detailed, whether you're reading text, editing photos, or streaming your favorite content. The bezels are minimal, providing an immersive viewing experience, and HDR support enhances the dynamic range, making colors appear more lifelike and accurate. If you're someone who enjoys media consumption, gaming, or simply a high-quality display, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro will not disappoint. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance and efficiency. This processor is designed to handle demanding tasks effortlessly, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using heavy applications. The combination of powerful CPU cores and an advanced GPU ensures that games run smoothly at high settings without any noticeable lag. The AI-driven optimizations also make sure that the device runs efficiently, providing a longer battery life while maintaining peak performance. With ample RAM and fast storage options, app loading times are quick, and switching between multiple applications is seamless. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro delivers a lag-free and smooth experience. Moving on to the camera department, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro features a versatile triple-camera setup, allowing users to capture high-quality images and videos in all scenarios. 50MP primary sensor. The main sensor delivers sharp, detailed, and well-balanced photos with excellent dynamic range and natural colors. 50MP periscope telephoto lens. 3x optical zoom. This telephoto lens allows you to capture distant subjects with impressive detail, thanks to its optical zoom capabilities. Whether you're zooming in on a landscape or taking close-up shots, the clarity remains crisp. 8MP ultra-wide lens. For breathtaking wide-angle shots, this sensor ensures less distortion, richer details, and great color accuracy, making it perfect for group photos, cityscapes, and nature shots. Video recording is also top-notch, with 4K recording capabilities, stabilization features, and AI-assisted enhancements for cinematic quality footage. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, or someone who loves capturing moments, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro's cameras deliver stunning results. A powerful device needs a reliable battery, and the Nothing Phone 3A Pro doesn't disappoint. It houses a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day battery life even with heavy usage. And when you do need to charge, the 45W fast wired charging ensures that you can power up your device quickly, minimizing downtime. In today's digital era, Fast and reliable connectivity is a must, and the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is future-ready with full 5G support. With lightning-fast internet speeds, ultra-low latency, and improved network stability, you can download files in seconds, stream high-resolution content without buffering, and enjoy seamless video calls. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, 5G connectivity ensures that you're always connected to the fastest network available. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro runs on Nothing OS 3.1, which is based on Android 15, offering a clean, bloatware-free, and highly optimized user experience. The interface is sleek, minimalistic, and intuitive, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience for everyday use. Nothing OS 3.1 comes with AI-driven optimizations, better privacy features, and faster animations, making it one of the best custom skins on Android. One of the most eye-catching features of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is its iconic transparent design. The back panel is made of durable glass, revealing the internal components in a stylish and futuristic way. Adding to the uniqueness is the enhanced Glyph interface, which consists of programmable LED light strips that serve multiple functions. Customizable notifications assign different lighting patterns for different apps and contacts. Charging indicators get visual feedback while charging your phone. Additionally, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro introduces a new multifunctional button on the side, allowing users to quickly access shortcuts, launch apps, or customize tasks based on their needs. So, that wraps up our detailed review of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. This device brings an elegant design, a powerful chipset, a stunning AMOLED display, a pro-grade camera setup, and a unique Glyph interface, making it one of the most stylish and feature-packed smartphones of the year. If you're looking for a phone that stands out from the crowd while delivering powerful performance, smooth software, and an innovative design, then the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is definitely worth considering. What do you think about the Nothing Phone 3A Pro? Would you buy it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more amazing tech content. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.